So that's fine. I mean, that works, but the problem is you then get it as a universal data type of string, but then you have to convert it into what you want. And you can't cast it from a string. It doesn't work. You have to use a helper method in the enter class called parse, which will actually literally parse the string and pull all the numbers out of it and convert it to an integer. So that's how we get it. And you can actually do this with the other values as well. So, I mean, I can say loan amount well, I could do this here. I can say string LA is equal to prompt that, and then a loan amount here would actually be double dot parse double LA. And I can do the same thing with this one as well. IR is equal to prompt, and this becomes double parse. So we don't need this. Sorry, not that one. IR. And then I also use it to show what this is. So, no, it should be double dot parse double. Take my little alert helper method. And then I can say alert. Let's see how this works. So the amount. Now it's graphical. Interest rate. Term. And then it's all graphical. And yes, you can do multiple prompts, but I'll show you guys how to do that later. That's getting into more GUI stuff. So these are helper functions, and we'll get more into this later. You're going to need it for when you're doing some of your later labs, or maybe the third lab. And so the parse double or parse int is what they call a helper method of the double or the integer class. And it just takes whatever's in the string, pulls the numbers out, and stores it, converts it to a double or an integer. Right, and we just did this. I just converted all of these to in the loan payment to use the GUI. I don't know how many people have tried to install NetBeans yet or not, but if you haven't, you should. It's a great tool. And debugging in Eclipse. So, we can go over some examples of that too, but typically what you do is you set up, if something's going wrong over here and you're not sure what, and you can't figure it out by looking at the code, then typically what you do is you set a breakpoint, you run the program, and then you look at what's in memory. For example, if the interest rate is not giving me what I expect, then you just debug it. You put a breakpoint there and you stop. Okay, questions? That's it for the slides. It's already past 8:30. I try to end these things by 8:30. Any questions from anyone? What do I want you to do in Lab 1? Lab 1 should be really simple. Here's Lab 1, right? You put your G number there. Create the class. So I've got lab. Did I name it a little differently? 00. No, I don't like that. Oh, I put 3 zeros. Okay, so make an extra 0. So the lab says, we'll look at it. Should probably have put that all in there too. Okay. Modify printl to print your name and major CSM. Output should be, hello, my name is blah, 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 my major is this. All you really need to do for this that's it. Should be really simple. The first lab is simple. It's really designed just to make sure you've got Java installed correctly. You can compile and run it. So it's a very simple one. Other questions? Any other questions? No? Should you be doing lab 3? Let's see. Oh, we're posted. 652. Let's see if we got lab 3 here somewhere. Yeah, you can start working on it if you want to. It's not all. I'm going to update the website tonight and get lab 3 posted. Yes, I prefer it to be on WebSmart. Yeah, it's not. The link's not posted yet. I'll post it tonight for sure. Just the Java file. Just the Java file. Sorry, you don't have to send the class file. Any other questions? So let me go into WebSmart. So everyone knows you scroll down and you come to the link for web access. Actually, it's web access. Click on web access. Hey, come on, slow again. You go, you put your G number in. And your passcode. Then you should get to web access. Yours is going to look a little different than mine, but you should have a link for the class. And let's look. Oh yeah, jump to week 1, week 2. Turn on. No, I probably did not post I think I can put this into student view. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I think it's probably not showing because I have to add it. Let me see. Go back to the normal side. Turn on editing. Okay, how do I add? I can add a. Oh, let's see. Add. Assignments. Upload a single file. Advanced uploading files. Okay, let's try this. So we'll just call this lab 2. Most of you already emailed me in your lab 1, so we'll just call this lab 2. I can probably copy and paste the details for it in there. I don't know what that's going to look like. It's 100. It's available from today. What's the due date that I put on that? Alright, we'll give you till the 3rd. Okay. So now you probably, if you go in there, you should probably see lab 2. And you should be able to upload your answer. Now, let me go. Let's see if I switch to that role. Oh, here's assignments. Lab 2. Oh yeah, now you have the ability to upload your solution. So try that now, Robert. See if it works. While I'm at it, I will I'll post lab 3. So this is for next week. No, week 3. Actually, this one you need to upload multiple files, if I'm not mistaken. No, you only need to upload one. My bad. That's not right. Next week is week 2, week. Oh, there we go. Week 3. Oh goodness, this thing is picking up. Okay, so lab 3 is out there as well, and I'll update my website with lab 3 as well. Okay. Any other questions?